I will be looking for sales, but I am minding my my risk. Let's see if I will be filled. My stop loss is quite far because I'm minding my risk. This will be my first. Although the play is a go, once we reach to this level here, the play will be a go. So let's see if I will be stopped out immediately, then I am wrong. Oh, god damn it. God damn. So that is a loss. We'll come again tomorrow. That is where my play was at. That is where my play was at. I was looking to get out at this level here, which was 1 to 3. But so yeah. But I was wrong on something. Let's see. Oh. So I see that ES swept this sell side liquidity that led to price sweeping me out. So this is the sell side liquidity that I'm talking about that has led to price sweeping me out. Rather, a confluence that I did not. I was not keen about. Now let us see if price will go lower because we are okay. So if this is inverse, then and then price fight because okay. So if this fair value gap is inverse and then price might go lower. So let me explain my trade. So this is the 4-hour time frame. And coming into the market, price is pretty bearish. That's why my buyers coming into the market, I was looking for sales. So price is pretty bearish and I was looking for sales for price to go lower. Now, market open. This is the market open. Let's go to the 1 hour. Market open and price ripped up, swept the day highs and this 1 minute, 1 hour lower high, which is a buy side liquidity. I was looking for sales to do. Once this buy side liquidity was this buy side liquidity was swept, I was looking for price to go lower. To either for price to go lower, to either come print a higher low. If it wants to go higher, then it will go higher, or to continue with the bearish strike. Now, yeah, this was swept. This was swept. The 1 hour lower high was swept, and I was looking for price to go lower. Let's go to the 15 minute as we go down. We got a 5 minute bearish closer, which was a confirmation that price wants to go lower. And I think my timing was wrong. That's why I was stopped out. So once it was swept, this fair value gap was inversed. This fair value gap was inversed, and I put my limit order here because today the market is this week the market is rather volatile, and I put so the candles have some big size stop loss gaps. So I put my limit order here, minding my stop loss, and I was looking for a 1 to 3 to these 5 minutes to these 5 minute lows. The 5 minute lows that I have since noticed only after I was taken out from of the trade that ES swept its 5 minutes. So let me mark it from the 1 minute. This is it. So ES swept its holy shit. Okay. So ES swept its 5 minute this 5 minute SL liquidity while Nasdaq remained above. That was a if I had seen what ES did, I could have waited for a more definite confluence. And now is the time where I could have executed an entry for sales because this has been inversed and my limit order could have been here using this fair value gap and aiming for the same lows. So my entry could have my limit order for sales could have been here using, so let's see on the 1 minute. So this is where, let's see, this is where I could have put my, let me delete or let me move it first. This is where I could have put my limit order and aim for the same lows that I was aiming for earlier around there. So once this is filled, I could have aimed for the same lows, price to go lower. So that was my bad. Yeah, man. So let's see if it was all about the timing, man. It was all about the timing and the conferences. So this is the second trade of the week, second loss of the week on a Wednesday. the fair value gap that I'm talking about. So it has just been retested, and I believe price is ready to go lower. So the same lows could have been my take profit. This. So yeah, I'll do an analysis of the trade and see what's popping. See what's popping. So it was all a matter of the timing. I got my timing right. I got my entry timing right. It is all about timing in the markets, man. And today I was correct on direction, but wrong on the timing. Wrong on the timing. So got stopped out and market printed the way. So I was wrong on the timing, and I was also it was also a fault for me not seeing that ES had swept this low. That could have deterred me from, or could have deterred me, or could have made me more cautious on my entry. So yeah, man, we'll try again tomorrow. The same lows have been swept, and I know price will come to take out this 15 minutes, this 15 minutes as a liquidity if it is to proceed high. So yeah, man, that's it. Live execution and live trade recap. We'll try again tomorrow.